all of the light leaks come out. This is what the inside looks like. I like this. I am currently getting my face done because I'm gonna go to the grocery store, which usually I won't really like care to put makeup on that much for the grocery store, but I don't know if I'm gonna film today, so might as well just get my face ready for the day, you know? We are going to Portland in October, next month. We've just been planning that and just getting everything ready, like Airbnb wise and I don't know, just trip wise. Does anybody else get like really excited for trips and like they can't do other things properly because they're just too excited? Does that happen to anyone else? Because it's a problem for me. Yeah, I am guilty of not going grocery shopping for like 2 weeks. So that is my #1 priority today, to just go to the grocery store, and then we will tackle the rest of the day from there. A lot of you guys have been asking me about my makeup, and I do not switch my makeup routine. The only thing that I ever switch is my crease color, but if you guys watch any of my get ready with me's, I do not stray away from that ever. Okay, so I use my Naked Basics palette, first shade Venus, which is this like shimmery shade, and this is the key to success on your eyelids. You just put it on your eyelids and it gives you like the prettiest sheen in the history of sheens. And I do the same thing on the other eyeball. It's very subtle, so it's not like you have glitter on your eyelid, but it kind of makes everything that you put above it pop. Makes you look like you tried a little harder than you actually did. So for those of you that are like me and you don't like to put a lot of time into your eyeshadow, this is key. And then I go in with this, which is the Becca Ombre Rouge palette, and I use this color. If I don't use this palette, I use any palette that has a color very similar to this. It's just like a burnt brownish orange color, and I put it on my crease. Sometimes I go a little cooler and I use, like, now that it's fall, I'll use this one, which is a cool toned like mauve-y brown. And that is all, my friends. I just take it on my crease, and then I get a pencil brush and put it on my lower lash line. Then I go in with my underground eyeliner, which I desperately need another one of, and I do my faux wing, and that is all. I know that half of the people that ask is because they probably haven't seen my get ready with me's, but for those of you that have seen it, just know that I do not stray away from this. So we're going to Portland in October. So excited. If any of you guys live in Portland, I mean, at this point, I've done so much research, I probably know just as much as half of the locals in Portland. But if any of you guys know of like kind of like underground things, like things that are not all over the touristy websites to do, then just let me know, please. So this is what we're working with today, and sorry, this time of year all of the light leaks come out, which I love, and they are gonna be ruining my mirror selfies. But this top is from Everlane. I think it's more of like their fitted crew. I'm wearing my new sunglasses from Reformation, which I'm still not sure how I feel about. If I put them really low, they look good, but if I put them where I would normally put my glasses, I kind of look like a dork. And these are the pants, super high-waisted, kind of like cropped and wide, sort of, but not like an exaggerated wide. And for my back, I'm just wearing my Little Lifner Little Lady. before I put the mask on, I open my pores. I just put hot water on one of my face towels and I put it over my face for a little bit. And then I go in with this mask. It's the Origins Clear Improvements Active Charcoal Mask. My face is wet from setting spray. I have to blow dry it 1 second. I've been blow drying my face, I think, ever since I started doing makeup, and I never really saw anybody do it. It's just something that I did to like speed up the drying process, but I swear it makes a difference in my makeup. I don't know if anybody else does this. Look at the squirrel. Look at him. You guys probably think I make these things up, but I swear every time I say there's a squirrel mid-sentence in my videos, it's because there really is a squirrel. So yeah, I have let my face air dry before when I don't have access to a blow dryer, and I notice a difference. So yeah, I'm gonna put some mascara on, do something with my hair, and then start filming as per usual. So before I start filming, I have to quickly go and ship something. I just say that I've been outside for a total of 4 seconds, and I already have a river of sweat in all the wrong places. Oh, you bring me your toy. I just finished filming, and this is my life 2 to 3 times a week. I have all my shoes that I used over there. My rack is in the middle of my room, and it's just a great time. I enjoy putting these videos together, don't enjoy picking everything up after. Good morning, guys. I just finished getting ready because I'm gonna go run some errands / go to the mall. I always get to these points where I just realize that I'm neglecting the crap out of my hair, and it's not okay. I'm not a hair person, so it's not something that excites me, but I'm getting excited about it again. So I'm gonna get a new blow dryer, and I have to do some other errands like buy toothpaste and stuff. Might pass by Target, so this is gonna be kind of hard to do. What if I stand over here? So the top is my beloved Everlane pocket tee, my white stovepipe redone jeans, and my new Veja sneakers. And over top, I'm just wearing my really old Zara like lightweight trench thing. My watch is from Rosefield Watches. My bracelet is new from Gemary. The dome earrings from Gemary, and my bold hoops also from Gemary. For my bag, I'm wearing my little Liffner bag. I feel like I have not taken this bag off since I got it. I just got out of the mall. I did a little tiny bit of damage. Not that much. It was just mostly the blow dryer. The blow dryer's very expensive, but I think I deserve it. I'm gonna go to a Target that I've never been to, so I'm excited about it. This is the bougiest Target I have ever seen in my life. I always love their bird section. For being as bougie as it was, the home decor section sucked. Okay, I'm gonna show you everything that I got. So I'm gonna start with Sephora because it's just more exciting. So what I went to Sephora for today is for this thing right here. This is the Dyson Supersonic hair dryer. I got the white and silver one, and then I just went a little sample crazy. I needed a couple of little travel sized things, but of course I was in the little sample section and I got sucked into everything. Since I had some points, I got this Way hair care box. It comes with the texturizing hairspray, which I'm obsessed with, and I actually got another little sample of it because I love that texturizing spray. I got a leave-in conditioner, a hair oil, and a finishing cream from Way. I got this Ole Henriksen 3 Little Wonders box, and I've been wanting to try Ole Henriksen for a long time because I've heard nothing but good reviews on them. So this comes with their Truth Serum, their Sheer Transformation Perfecting Moisturizer, and their Invigorating Night Transformation Gel. I got a little solid beauty cleaner, and I actually use my Zote cleaner. I get it at Home Depot. It's this huge bar. It's like $3. It's meant to be a detergent. It's the pink soap bar. I'll leave it in the description. That is what I swear by, but traveling with that thing is a really big pain. So I had to get this very overpriced thing. I got this Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. It's meant to repair and strengthen all hair types. I'm making it a point to take better care of my hair. All of the reviews and stuff that I've seen on YouTube, everybody mentions Olaplex, so I wanted to give it a try. I got 2 little invisible bobble hair rings, a Moroccan oil light. I've tried the regular Moroccan oil and it was too heavy for my hair, so I saw that this was meant for fine hair, so it intrigued me. So I want to give it a go. And then finally I got my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder in the mini. What I went to Target for was toothpaste. This is the toothpaste that I use. It's the Colgate whitening one. I needed another Aveeno Ultra Calming foaming cleanser spray bottle, like travel spray bottle, because I'm always gonna need one of those. I got more hair ties. These are the Ribbon Elastics No Damage hair ties. I got this shampoo. This is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo. I'll let you guys know if I like this, but I heard really good reviews on this as well. I got a candle. This is the Hearth and Hand with Magnolia Frosted Amber Candle. This is just everything that I want things to smell like in my life. And then I got 2 hair masks by Shea Moisture. These are the Jamaican Black Castor Oil, same as the shampoo, Strengthen and Restore Treatment Masks. And it has shea butter, peppermint, and keratin. I wish my hair was dirty so that I can try this out today, but I'll probably wash it tomorrow or the day after, and then I'll show you guys. That is everything. I'm gonna go watch a movie. So really quickly before I leave, this is my outfit. I'm just wearing an old Zara knit, my Everlane utility pants, Veja sneakers, and same little Lifner bag. So you might notice that my hair is wet. Well, somewhat wet. It's because I'm wetting it with a little spray bottle because I want to do a mask on it. Let me go change my shirt. Oh, it smells really good. Okay, so the box looks like this, and then you just slide it very luxuriously like so. You lift it. This is what the inside looks like. You have your blow dryer, you have 2 nozzles, and then the diffuser, which is probably what I'll use today. Oh, it comes with this little mat just to put it on top of your bathroom counter so that it doesn't like slide around. You're probably wondering why I'm wearing a do-rag on my head, but it's something called a plop. It's something that curly or wavy haired girls do in order to help define their curls. So as I'm on my journey to bring my texture back, I'm plopping, guys. This guy's really concerned about it. So I just took off my plop, and this is what we're working with. And the trick to it is to apply everything like while your hair is soaking wet. So I just took everything in the shower and I applied everything in the shower. So that mousse that I applied I don't think it has like the best hold or anything, so I don't know how well it's gonna do at maintaining my curls or like my waves, because they're not curls, they're waves. Okay, we are ready to diffuse. He's not too thrilled about the new blow dryer at all. I'm not mad at day 1 results. This side is my bad side because I sleep on this side, so it never holds on to texture as well as this side. It's not as good as it could be, but the potential's there, right? So yeah, I'm just gonna continue to use no sulfates, no silicones. I'm gonna continue to do hair treatments once or twice a week, as well as protein treatments once or twice a month. It's still kind of wet, that's why it looks a little weird down here. We still got some work to do. I will update you guys. I don't know if I'll keep updating you in the vlogs. Let me know if you guys like this. I don't even know, but I think it's cool. I think it's interesting. I love watching these kinds of videos, like girls transforming their hair back to health. We're at Target again, and it smells like ferrets in here.
And they don't sell ferrets.
Well, that was a fail. So now we're going to Michael's. Hey guys. I like this. What in God's name? Please excuse my just overall appearance. I just woke up and I was getting some questions on what vitamins I take. I take vitamins every day, specifically gummy vitamins, because I don't like taking pills every day. You don't want to hate taking your vitamins. A lot of people think that if they take supplements without consulting their doctor or seeing how their overall health is doing, they think that taking something for their hair and their skin and stuff is going to be magic and it's gonna fix everything. And sure, it'll definitely boost your hair growth and it might make your skin look better and your nails grow faster, but what happens if you have an underlying condition? What happens if the reason that you're having hair loss is because you have a thyroid condition or something that needs to be regulated and fixed? Make sure that you're fixing all of your health issues and that you're completely healthy before adding things that might not even be necessary. The first ones that I take are a multivitamins, and these are the Flamingo Supplements Adult Gummy Vitamins. I get these on Amazon. I wanted to find some that worked and that are vegetarian, so I found this company on Amazon. So a multivitamin is something that I think everyone would benefit from. Next, from this same company, I have collagen. This promotes healthy hair, skin, nails, and joints. So I find that since I take these every day because I look forward to taking them, it has made a difference. Is it a drastic difference in my opinion? No, but I have noticed that my hair falls out less. I have noticed a lot of new growth and my skin also looks better. Something that I really make a point to take every day, which is one of the main reasons why I wanted to get vitamins that I liked. This is vitamin B12. It also has D3, but I mostly got it for the B12. And this is Mary Ruth's brand. I also got this on Amazon. So if you have a B12 deficiency, you're bound to get anemia. My doctor already knows I'm a vegetarian. He knows what vitamins I take, so he always checks my B12 levels and he makes sure that everything is where it needs to be. But yeah, I need to get my thoughts together. Glam coat. Oh my god, my camera. Don't quote me, boy, cause I ain't said. To hey there, super exciting stuff. Why did I leave my house? Just chilling in my coffin.